Going to a lavender farm. It's like 30 minutes from Montreal, right? 40 minutes?
Like that.
Yeah.
40, 45.
It'll take like 40 minutes to get there. I'll introduce my friends. This is Ryan.
I hope you get the best angle.
We don't see you well. Here's Andre.
Hey.
And we're waiting for Elda. He just snuck out of work for us.
What was the excuse he said?
His mom is in the hospital.
Yeah, he said his mom is in the hospital to get out of work.
She bad. Hello?
Hello?
Yeah, what's up?
What's this song that goes like right back there, the
Two-time baby girl, you know me. Oh wait, hold on. I got a call from Elda. Hello?
Hello, Ryan.
Yeah, what's up?
Okay, so je suis ready là. Mais je peux pas genre passer là où vous êtes. Genre je suis juste devant vous. Like just in front of you. No, in front of you.
So I have to pick you up, or are you coming here? Oh fucking no! What the fuck? You really did that.
Hey! Alright, so guys, je dois vous expliquer la situation.
Okay, go ahead.
So, j'étais actually supposé travailler aujourd'hui, ok, comme tous les mardis. Mais j'étais pas supposé recevoir une commande. So, je pouvais pas juste le laisser seul parce que c'est quand même une grosse commande. So, je devais genre figure out une bonne excuse pour partir.
What did he say?
I just said that, genre, ma soeur était à l'hôpital, genre. J'étais comme un peu triste. Et là, il était comme, oh, est-ce que ça va? Moi, j'étais comme, yo, ma soeur est à l'hôpital, il faut que je parte. Et comme, oh, ok, alright. I felt bad.
Wow. Bravo, Elda. Oh my god, he's so cute.
I don't have food. Est-ce que tu vas commencer à me...
Thought it was gonna take only 40 minutes to get there, but when we googled it, it was actually an hour and 20 minutes. So I'm gonna get some snacks at the pharmacy and just eat it on the road.
Do you like Starburst?
Yeah.
Alright, let's get the gummies.
I want chips. We're here, we're at the lavender farm now. Hi Jen. How are you? So hot. So hot. I don't know. Elder has long sleeve. What the heck? What's wrong with the guys? So we're taking pictures right now, but it's so hot. We're done with the lavender farm. It's really hot, but it was nice. Finally got to go out.
Okay, that's it.
We're going to the Maison Lavande next.
Okay, bye.
See you.